Actually getting to an automation level that Spur does 95 to 100% automated is kind of unheard of when it comes to actual automation because of the new way we're testing with agentic AI as opposed to like previous hard-coded models.
So you're simplifying in putting speed and accuracy to it. Am I right? And is that what we were doing? Or is that what a lot of people do today?
Yeah, I mean, previously a lot of brands that we've spoken to, all of their test cases on a spreadsheet that was built like 6 years ago, and it breaks all the time. And it's really frustrating. So the great thing about working with brands is the minute they see this, it clicks in their head like, this is exactly what we've been working for. Like I said, they're intent-based, so you don't have to specifically hard code, like click this exact button at this exact place looking for this exact color. It's very, very intelligent. It's intent-based, so we understand the agent's smart enough to understand what the test is scripting for, what you've written the test to do.
So let's say I got to test if the billing address matches the credit card thing, if the shipping cross, a lot of stuff going on. If I put two things in the cart, did it double? Did it go down? Is a refund? Is there a rebate? You guys do all that stuff?
Every single thing, and it can all be actually written into one test. So if you say go through a checkout flow, the agent understands what does the checkout flow actually entail. So instead of saying you have to put in this specific address or this specific discount code, it understands like, okay, if you want to add the discount code, it understands, okay, well, first you have to add an address or a phone number or a valid email and that kind of stuff, as opposed to actually having to script different tests for testing different things. Does that make sense?
Yeah, because before you would say, hey, I want to test field X. So my data flow between this field, that field, this field, and then it has an identifier that was probably in the system.
Very frustrating. And it definitely takes brands, when you're trying to move as quickly as possible, iterate as quickly as possible. A lot of valuable time that no one really has, because you can't get time back.